n8n for marketing. So here is a detailed analysis on why and how you're going to use marketing for n8n. So let's look into the videos. As you may know, n8n is an open source workflow automation platform that lets you connect apps, APIs, and services to build multi-step automated processes. Okay, you build flows like visually, you just have to drag and drop and also embed custom logics and codes wherever needed. Okay, it's often compared similar to like Zapier, but with greater flexibility and no per action pricing if self-hosted. So this is the official website of n8n, so n8n.io. You can like sign in if you have an account, or you can just sign in or get started for free. You have a 14 days trial which you can simply log in and then create one to see. So once you have logged into your n8n, so this is your home page here. So on your n8n, so you can start creating workflows, especially in terms of marketing. So what you can do to help you with marketing. So firstly, for marketing teams, okay, so n8n basically acts as an orchestration layer because it connects disparate tools like CRM, emails, analytics, social medias, ad platforms, and everything, and it automates repetitive or multi-step processes, which helps you reduce manual errors and latencies and scales without ballooning, SaaS cost. Okay, so unlike like standalone campaign builders, n8n is not a full marketing suite. It glues your stack together and automates logic across this stack. So in which way n8n will help you in marketing especially? So it can help you with automated email campaigns. You can you can set up triggers that email sends based on real-time events, like when you have a, like for example like a sign up or a purchase, something like that, and it creates like drip sequences and personalize the content via data in your CRM. Okay, and and in marketing as well, you can use n8n to lead scoring and routing, so you can calculate lead scores from behaviors like from clicks from web pages, and you sync it with your CRM, and you can notify sales team instantly about it. And social media automation, so you can publish post automatically on scheduled, or repost like blog contents, or track engagements, or trigger actions where brand mentions are occur. So you can automate all these with n8n. And you can use like multi-tool data synchronization, so you can keep customer data synchronized across like HubSpot, Salesforce, Google Sheet, Airtable, and all these to maintain a clean unified profile. Okay, and you can use for n8n for analytics and reporting, so you can pull like campaign performances metrics from multiple sources into dashboards, or send automated reports via Slack or email, like however you choose to. So you can set it up all these, and you can also like automate registrations like for events or any webinars. You can like registration handling, reminders, follow-ups, and all these things you can simply set it up through n8n. You can automate them, so it reduces the hassle of manually someone doing it. And also it has n8n has AI enabled content workflow, so you can you can use AI integration like OpenAI. You can generate like content ideas, automate drafts, and all those things. So these are the various things that you can do with n8n in terms of in a marketing perspective. So some of the key features of n8n to help you with marketing, like for example, the visual workflow builder. So marketers can map processes without deep coding skills, and it has custom code nodes. So you just have to add JavaScript or Python for advanced logic if you want to. Okay, and it has wide integration library, so it connects up to around like 400 plus apps like CRM, emails, and all those things. And this is like self-hosting. Okay, there is no usage fees per action, and you have real-time triggers and schedulers, so you can automate both immediate and periodic workflows, which is pretty good. Okay, so some of these advantages or benefits of using n8n for marketing is that the strategic efficiency gains, so it automates repetitive tasks so teams can focus on strategy and creativity. Next is cost control. So it's self-hosted n8n. It eliminates the per task pricing model, so it's powerful especially for high volume automations. And you have better data control, So you have a centralized synchronization which avoids slowed data and reduces manual reconciliation work. And you have infinite customization. So you have custom integrations and logic that let you design bespoke workflows unavailable in other rigid tools. So if you go to sign in to n8n, or if you create an account, you'll get your workspace here. So you can simply start creating a workflow. So if you click on create workflow, all you have to do is set up what you want to do. Just plan what you want the n8n to do. So for example, if you click on the first step here, you can add whether you want to add a manual trigger or an app event when you something to do with an app, or you have a lot of options here which you can simply choose. So if it's a manual trigger, so select manual trigger and then click on it. So what that trigger is, just set it up, click on it, and then here if you want to so when this trigger happens, what happens next, you can click on this plus icon here and then say, so for example like Gmail. So if you want, if you search for Gmail, if you want to send emails, so select Gmail, and then when a trigger happens, you have to send a message, you can click on send a message and then configure your Gmail address. So just synchronize the account that you want to use here. So click on select credentials, create new credentials, and then just sign in with your Google account here. Okay, sign in with your Google account here, and then you'll be able to um, uh, connect your Google account here and then set it up. So that's another way, that's how you set it up. So you basically have to just whatever workflow you want to do, just click on it and then compile the whole thing and set up the workflow. And once you're done with that, what you have to do is click on the save option here, and once you're completely done, if it's ready for publish, click on the publish option here to publish it. So that's how you do it. Just a couple of things to practices to keep in mind for marketing with n8n just before we wrap up. So always try to build reusable templates, like create modular workflow blocks for common patterns. Okay, and you implement error handling. So always include conditional branches, retry the logic, and alerting for failures. So make sure you check that. And the next one, monitor and optimize, track execution times and performance for heavy workflows. So always optimize before scaling, so just keep that in mind. And document workflows, so you document the logic, triggers, and dependencies, so teams can maintain and hand off reliability. So especially when you have your marketing team, so try to do that. Okay, so these are the things that how you can use n8n for in terms of marketing as perspective. So if you need a complex cross-system workflow and you want full control over data and cost, and your team has some technical capabilities or partner support, then you should simply use your n8n and its features for to help you with all your marketing aspects. And basically that's pretty much it is. Hope the video was helpful.